The main aim of this project is to obtain the real-time temperature graph. The main components of this project are temperature sensor interface circuit, and a node MCU and power supply. After connecting the sensor to node MCU, use any laptop, mobile or tablet to obtain the real-time graph. Open the browser in the mobile or laptop, whatever you are using, and type the IP address of the node MCU in the browser. If you type the IP address of the node MCU in the browser, you will get a real-time graph of the temperature sensor. After entering the IP address in the browser, you will get a real-time graph of the temperature. In this, you will get time to time what is the amount of temperature change. If any change happens, automatically that will be detected by the IoT browser. For example, observe the change here. So in this way, you will observe the change in the graph with respect to time. Not only we will get graph on a single device, we can connect multiple devices to the node MCU to obtain the real-time graph. Observe here, these two devices are connected to the node MCU. The same graph is logging in this device and the same graph is logging in this device. So in this way we can obtain the real-time graph using node MCU on multiple devices. After obtaining the graph for some time, if we cut off the supply to the node MCU, after some time, if you switch off the supply to the node MCU, the graph will stop at this point. So at this point, we will analyze the change in parameters. Okay, at what time, what is the change in parameter occurs. In this way, we will get the real-time parameter graph. Here we have used the temperature sensor, and this temperature sensor has range from minus 50 degrees centigrade 1 plus 150 degrees centigrade. So with the help of any heating element, you can measure the change in temperature in the graph directly. In multiple devices also we can obtain the same graph. If you like this channel, please like and subscribe to this channel.